So today we have a very interesting topic, Warren Buffett. As an investor, who gets a little bit of when you take name of Buffett, Warren Buffett. So does it create something in your mind or a heart? Who feels something when they speak about Warren Buffett? Or they, if you guys come across like these kind of webinar which has a name of Warren Buffett, so do we feel something for him? What kind of emotion do we feel for him? Okay, my voice is clear because somebody is facing some problem. Okay, Aditya Raj has said, yeah, Aditya Raj ji has said that investing God, Warren Buffett. Yeah. So this is the one thing which we get in our mind. कोई के लिए कुछ रहता होगा. Okay, I will just speak louder. Yeah. So कोई के लिए कुछ रहता होगा कि investing God, Aditya Raj ji has said. So in a similar way, बहुतों के लिए बहुत कुछ रहता होगा. Can I get that one name which you when you get as an investor? जब भी हम लोग like an actor, अगर actor कोई है, अगर आप कोई भी actor से पूछेंगे तो generally all actor has different understanding, but अगर आप कोई भी actor से पूछेंगे कि as an actor how whom you praise more, so somebody will say, mostly I think will say Amitabh Bachchan or like anything. Similarly, while we are investing, kind of role model जिनको जैसे आदित्य राज जी ने क्लियरली कह दिया गॉड. सो anybody else who has a other phrase for Warren Buffett or other name for Warren Buffett, कि अगर उनका नाम मैं सुनता हूं तो this is the thing which this is the word hits in my mind. Okay, guru. Okay, guru. Okay. Guru. So what is the role of guru? Can anybody say what is the role of a guru? गुरु का क्या रोल होता है? What is the role of a guru? He teaches. Okay, Subhash Kulkarni ji wants to be a next Warren Buffett. Great investor. Create path where there is none. Show light. Guru teaches the right way. That's true. Role model. Okay. Okay, now I'm getting some answers. Huh? You guys must be thinking. Huh? So I've got most of the answer right now. Ki guru, role model, great investor, God. So these kind of understanding. Now, there's one person who said, I want to be next Warren Buffett. Yeah, you would be. But क्या है, जब हम लोगों को ऐसे बड़े लोगों को अगर फॉलो करना है, if I want to become like them, okay, if I want to become like these great people, so what do we need? We need to follow their principles. अगर हम लोग उनका प्रिंसिपल फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, okay, he inspires, true. So if we don't follow his principle, ठीक है, so we will not be there. Abhi now there's a huge gap between following a principle and understanding a principle. Do you agree? There is huge gap between following a principle and understanding his principle. Then there is one more point come after having principle and understanding principle, following principle and understanding principle. Then there's one more point that comes is applying those principle and validating that. So हम लोग आज ये तीनों काम करेंगे. Can I have these three things in the chat? Can we have these three things? Following, ठीक है, एक following हो गया, आप follow कर रहे हैं, you are following a principle. तो second, आप understand कर रहे हैं क्या? Understand and then following and validating it, कि वो validate है कि नहीं. Warren Buffett is a kind of guru, is a kind of investor who is generating more than 30% CAGR. 30% का रिटर्न वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं लॉन्ग टर्म में. It varies from 25 to 30% depending on the market scenario. So this is kind of investor he is. अभी क्या है, हम लोगों के संग सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, हम लोग उनके प्रिंसिपल्स को नहीं फॉलो करते हैं. वी डू नॉट फॉलो हिज प्रिंसिपल, रादर वी क्रिएट आवर ओन प्रिंसिपल उनके प्रोवर्ब्स को पढ़ के, उनके अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स को पढ़ के. तो वी विल ट्राई विद द प्रूफ. ओके, लेट अस कंटिन्यू विद दिस. So first of all, we have 91 people right now. So first of all, disclaimer that okay, these are all learning things. If you are doing something after understanding strategies and all, then it will be purely on your discretion. So this is a disclaimer and copyright. Please do not copy anything or do not take any videos and all. Next, so what are we going to learn today? Okay, this is the main thing to keep you guys active for next 1 hour. Okay, so what are we going to study? Proof of Warren Buffett investment principle. We will be showing you proof of Warren Buffett investment principle. A message from Warren Buffett to all investor who follows him. ठीक है, we will be taking one message of Warren Buffett, ठीक है, एक कोट के थ्रू कि what is his message, और हम लोग उस मैसेज को भी डिस्कस करेंगे, क्योंकि interpretation of investors are very different when they are studying Warren Buffett. Okay, no, with proof video, what are the factors that take stock prices up? क्या reasons है जो stock prices को ऊपर ले जाते हैं, factors हैं जो ऊपर ले जाते हैं. What is the last 5-year price performance of quality stocks versus non-quality stocks? With proof we'll be discussing that. With proof, know how quality stocks and non-quality stocks बिहेव इन फॉलिंग मार्केट. ठीक है, अभी सबको फियर लगा हुआ है कि मार्केट्स तो बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. किस किस को फियर है मार्केट्स बढ़ने का, कि बढ़ गए हैं, वेदर टू इन्वेस्ट और नॉट टू इन्वेस्ट, और एवरीबडी आर ओके विद द मार्केट. मी, आदित्य राज जी, ओके. हु एल्स हैज अ फियर ऑफ सच अ हाई मार्केट? ओके, जय शर्मा जी. और सब every I have got 6 raise of hand. Okay, so there are 7-8 people who are fearful in 100 people. मतलब 7% लोग ही डरे हुए हैं, otherwise balance सब is okay. Okay, so we will be also discussing कि falling market या rising market, overvalued market क्या है, all from Warren Buffett own voice. हाँ, तो आज मैं कहीं भी नहीं रहूंगा, everything will be from Warren Buffett. Okay, so next, अब हम लोगों ने वॉरेन बफेट को तो पढ़ लिया, ठीक है. अगर किसी ने whoever have invented एरोप्लेन और एनीथिंग, तो उन्होंने आइडिया तो दे दिया, अभी वो होगा कैसे, कहां से जाना है, तो वी विल डिस्कसिंग विद दिस वैल्यूएशन विद द वैल्यू स्टॉक स्ट्रेटजीज, हु कैन बाय दीज स्ट्रेटजीज. ओके, कि हम लोग अगर वॉरेन बफेट के प्रिंसिपल को अगर फॉलो करना है, लाइक द पर्सन सेड दैट आई वांट टू बी लाइक नेक्स्ट वॉरेन बफेट, तो आपको प्रिंसिपल फॉलो करना है. प्रिंसिपल क्या फॉलो करेंगे? सुबह उठना है, नहाना है, धोना है, वो प्रिंसिपल नहीं. कि इन्वेस्टमेंट कहां करनी है, किस कंपनी में करनी है, क्या उसका प्रूफ है कि वॉरेन बफेट के लॉजिक पे इन्वेस्ट करके क्या तरीका है हम लोग इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो यस, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट आल्सो. हाउ टू डिसाइड अ स्टॉक्स दैट कैन मूव इन फ्यूचर एंड विल फॉल लेस इन फॉलिंग मार्केट. एंड लास्ट, अगर आप लोगों को फिर ये सब समझने के बाद हमसे कनेक्ट करना है, if you want to connect with us to understand more about strategies, more about Warren Buffett strategies, then yes, we will be having our contact. So ये है content आज का. So let's go ahead. So first of all, I will straight away take you to Warren Buffett website. Can anybody tell me which is the website of Warren Buffett? लोगों को बहुत फास्ट आंसर होगा ये तो. Okay, Berkshire Hathaway. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So let us straight away go to Berkshire Hathaway website. So in Berkshire Hathaway annual report, ठीक है, ये उनकी कंपनी है. So we will have this annual report in 2017. In recent year he is also written बट इन 2017 बहुत अच्छे से ये लिखा हुआ है. If you click on 2017 annual report, so you guys can go on your own laptop or PCs कि ये कहाँ देखना है. तो you just go to Berkshire Hathaway, go to annual report, click 2017 report. If anybody wants to do now, they can do now. अगर कोई अभी करना चाहता है तो वो कर सकते हैं. So I will guide him. Okay. So Berkshire Hathaway, page number 25. ठीक है. So if we come to page number 25, where he writes Berkshire Hathaway acquisition criteria, where he gives his acquisition criteria, how he acquire a company. कोई भी कंपनी को बाय करने से पहले वो क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया देखते हैं. मिस्टर वॉरेन बफेट, व्हाट आर द क्राइटेरिया ही सीज to follow a strategy. Now, so what happened when we came across this thing कि अरे वॉरेन बफेट के क्राइटेरियाज हैं, भले ही 5 लाइन में लिखे हुए हैं, but to follow them will take too much of time, should take too much of time. How many people think that follow maybe a 5-liner report, a 5-liner acquisition criteria, but it should take too much of time? Who all feel this, that this strategy should take too much of time to find out a stock? 5 participants raise hand. Okay, now Warren Buffett himself writes that we can promise complete confidentiality and very fast answer, customarily within 5 minutes. Can you see this? Within 5 minutes, as whether we are interested or not. So I know Guru will take 5 minutes. तो हम अगर चेले बन जाते हैं सही से, तो how much time we should take? 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So there is a process, there is a system where you can take decision in 5 minutes, because the guru who made this strategy, the guru who made this criteria has taken 5 minutes. Or if we learn well, we might do the thing in less than 5 minutes. We can do if we do well. Okay. So, and what he said, see, बहुत important बात है ये भी. We would like to make acquisition of 5 to 20 billion range. इतना high investment, ठीक है? इतना high investment they can do easily in 5 minutes. They can take decision in 5 minutes. Is it very powerful thing? So अभी तो हम लोगों ने criteria read ही नहीं किया. Okay, let's go ahead for the criteria. Now, these are the 6 criteria. What is the first criteria? Large purchases, at least $75 million pre-tax earning. That means operating profit company में बड़ी होनी चाहिए. Why? Can anybody tell me why he has asked to keep large purchases like operating profit, or you can take as a sales? Why he wants sales to be huge, or at least like in Indian context, we can take 100 crore, 200 crore. We cannot go $75 million, will be very difficult for us. So why he has taken sales? What is the reason behind taking sales? Please see the video, Prasad ji. Yeah. So why he has taken sales? Can anybody tell me in the group? Why he has selected first criteria as a sales? Why he has selected first? Because everything, a company starts from the sales. कंपनी का पहला कदम ही होता है सेल्स. जब आप प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी स्टेटमेंट आपके पास आती है, द फर्स्ट नेम इज सेल्स. सेल्स शोज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट आर, वेदर कंपनी हैज गुड प्रोडक्ट तो है कि नहीं. बहुत सारी कंपनियां हैं जिनके पास प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं है, सेल्स है 10 करोड़ और प्रॉफिट है 500 करोड़. अब आप भी सोचेंगे कैसे हो गया? बिकॉज they do all those bogus kind of thing. What they do, वो लोग क्या करते हैं? गलत लैंड्स बेच देते हैं जो पुराने पड़े हुए हैं, उनके पास बिजनेस नहीं है. अर्निंग्स तो अच्छी दिखा रहे हैं बट सेल्स है ही नहीं. दैट इज द रीजन यू ऑलवेज फॉलो सेल्स. सेल्स होना बहुत जरूरी है अगर कंपनी में. इफ company doesn't have good sales, there is no point of investing, as per Warren Buffett, not as per me. As per Warren Buffett. Then demonstrated consistent earning power. A company remain in loss, no profits, no earning, suddenly showed a jump of 30% in earning, we get excited. Or what we talk with our friends, ki friend, this is the company C, XYZ company, it was always in loss, this is the first time it has shown 30% growth in earning. और हम लोग रीड भी नहीं करते हैं, we just see on CNBC or any kind of media channel where we see 30% sales growth, or sorry, EPS growth, earning growth. There is an earning growth of 30% in quarter, so let's buy this company. And what happened? Apparently that company falls. Or when you deep study those companies, when you deep study those companies, what happened? When you check that wo company has sold land, due to which they have created earning. Okay, so yes, Anandji, yeah. So earning, there should be a consistent earning, not one-time earning. Demonstrated consistent earning power. There should be a consistent earning. Future projections are of no interest to us, जिसमें हम लोग मास्टर हैं. अगर कोई वॉरेन बफेट बने होते फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्शन से, तो we Indians or we all are when we are not making money, those who are not making money by investing, उन लोगों के लिए सबसे ज्यादा यही पॉइंट है. किन्होंने आइडिया में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है? जिन्होंने भी आइडिया में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है, आई थिंक दे आर लाइक, ये वाला पार्ट उनके लिए है. दिस इज द मैसेज फ्रॉम वॉरेन बफेट टू देम, that please do not think that future will get better. Future will get better is a wrong theory, is a wrong understanding, is a wrong study. अगर आज कंपनी अच्छी है, इन्वेस्ट इन टुडे. ठीक है, आज कंपनी अच्छी है कि नहीं, फ्यूचर में होगी, इज अ रॉन्ग अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बहुत से लोग हैं, दे कम अप विद द कोट्स, buy when street is red and all. Please, this is misunderstood by the investor. What Warren Buffett wants to say, buy when there is blood on street, this means buy quality stock. जैसे बहुत सारे इंग्लिश के वर्ड में the some of the letters remain silent, most of the gurus remain silent on the quality of a stock or type of a stock you should buy. Now it's you have to understand, you have to listen. हम लोग 1 मिनट का वो मैसेज, फॉरवर्डेड मैसेज पढ़ के we become like a Warren Buffett. No friends, it's very difficult to become like a Warren Buffett. ठीक है, बट अगर हम लोग उसके इंटरप्रिटेशन को समझे तो we can become like a Warren Buffett. Okay. नाउ फ्रेंड, आप आज कोई भी चीज, आप वेबिनार में, 1 घंटे के वेबिनार में, यू कैन मिस एनीथिंग, आई हैव नो इशू. ठीक है, आपने कुछ नहीं सुना, आप कुछ ध्यान नहीं दिए, सब कुछ भूल गए. लेकिन अब जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, अगर आप वो ध्यान रखते हैं, देन दिस कैन क्रिएट अ बिग डिफरेंस इन योर इन्वेस्टिंग स्टाइल, in your profits, which is the third point, business earning good return on equity. Business earning good return on equity. Warren Buffett, time and time, I have 2 videos of Warren Buffett, or in fact 3 videos of Warren Buffett, which clearly says that follow return on equity. He follows 20-25% return on equity. We suggest invest in a company that has minimum 15% return on equity. We have 145 people right now on Zoom. So can you please write return on equity above 15? Please, friend, it will help you a lot in your investment if you can write on chat. always invest in companies having return on equity more than 15. Can I have this sentence on chat? Because ये बहुत ही जरूरी है. अगर आप इतना ही ध्यान रखते हैं कि कोई भी कंपनी which has return on equity more than 15, yes, thank you राहुल जी, return on equity should be greater than 15, must be greater than 15. मैं बोल रहा हूँ सारा वेबिनार छोड़ दीजिए, अगर ये वाला पॉइंट अगर हम लोग ध्यान रख लेते हैं कि इन्वेस्ट इन कंपनीज दैट हैज रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी मोर देन 15, ROC, ROE we can take. We should keep in mind that return on equity should be greater than 15. Just a second. Session. Yeah. So if return on equity is more than 15, आपका 50% काम तो हो जाता है to become a Warren Buffett. I think sorry, I forgot the name of that person who wanted to become a next Warren Buffett. Sir, आप next Warren Buffett बन सकते हैं अगर आप 15% ये पहला अगर हम लोग कर लें. रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी क्या होता है, डेफिनेशन क्या है, यू कैन ज्वाइन थ्रू 1-to-1 वेबिनार और आप गूगल कर सकते हैं. इट इज अ पावरफुल टूल टू इन्वेस्ट इन स्टॉक. अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हैं तो इट्स अ पावरफुल टूल. रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी इज अ पावरफुल टूल. I'm again saying you, return on equity is a very important tool to invest. ठीक है. मैनेजमेंट इन प्लेस. ओके, ये बोलते हैं like yes bank is struggling with the management, they don't have management right now, and yes, while employing little or no debt, कंपनी में डेट भी नहीं है. अगर ये दो क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल होता है तो आप जान जाइए कि आपने 50% तो काम कर दिया of becoming a Warren Buffett. ठीक है. So you have done 50% of the work of, or you have taken a step towards becoming a Warren Buffett. Okay, seriously guys, I'm not joking, I'm very serious. If you have funds, if you are investing in stock market, and if you want to get a good return, if you want to double your money in 4 years, please start investing in good ROE company. We will be showing videos also of Warren Buffett with proof. So this is the first proof. We have 3 more proof coming in. Okay, ठीक है. Management in place, that there should be a management. Simple business. अब business ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. प्रोडक्ट दिखा रहे हैं ऑयल रिफाइनरी का, काम कुछ और हो रहा है. Like there was a Reliance Power sometime, or Reliance Infra. You don't understand what business they have. No projects running, all our projects failed. So अगर कोई simple business नहीं है, समझ नहीं आ रही है, तो do not invest. This is another thing. Okay. The third thing is offering price. We do not waste time. We do not want to waste our time or that of seller by talking, even primarily about transaction when price is unknown. There should be a price of a company. अगर price नहीं है, तो they are not interested. So offering price, the valuation price should be there, कि ऐसा लगे कि सस्ता है. ठीक है. अब ये सस्ता क्या है, we will be discussing that also. So till now, इसके इंटरप्रिटेशन में कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो अगर मैं समरी निकालूं तो क्या क्या समरी मिली मुझे? Can anybody tell the summary of this 6 points? अगर एक वर्ड की समरी हो, एक वर्ड की समरी अगर हमें देनी हो, if we want to give one word summary, so what should be the words? So large purchases can be regarded as sales or operating profit. So let us take sales. ठीक है. Here, so there should be a minimum sales. Next is earning power, profit growth. ठीक है, profit growth होनी चाहिए. रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी तो खुद ही क्लियर है. लो डेट मींस कंपनी में डेट कम है. डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो से हम लोग चेक कर सकते हैं. मैनेजमेंट इन प्लेस, कंपनी में मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए, होती है जनरली. सिंपल बिजनेस, दिस इज अगेन अ काइंड ऑफ थ्योरी. एंड वैल्यूएशन होनी चाहिए. तो वी गॉट सेल्स, we get net profit, net profit growth. Sorry, not only net profit growth. Then we got return on equity. Then we got low debt to equity, and then we got valuation. These are the 5 things we got. High sales. Okay, Rahul ji has written very clearly. High sales, reasonable earning, return on equity greater than 15, no debt, good quality management और ऑफरिंग प्राइस. ठीक है, ये 5 चीज होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, एक कंपनी में one company should have these 5 things. ठीक है, is it okay? Now let us see another proof in which it speaks about return on equity. So let us
in recent years when the
so he will be talking about कि एक quality business क्या होती है, जो कि I think one of the person has asked कि what how do you identify quality business. So the definition is given by Warren Buffett himself. What is quality business? So let us.
Nikkei has so underperformed the S&P here. We're quite a bit less enthused about those stocks as being any kind of obvious bargains than the people that you read about in OID. The returns on equity in most areas of Japanese business, returns on equity are very low, and it's extremely difficult to get rich by being the owner of a business that earns a low return on equity. We always look at what a business does in terms of what it earns on capital. We want to be in good businesses. What we really want to be is in businesses that are going to be good businesses and better businesses 10 years from now. And we want to buy them at a reasonable price. But many years ago, we gave up what I've labeled the cigar butt approach to investing, which is where you try and find a really kind of pathetic company, but it sells so cheap that you think there's one good free puff left in it. And we used to pick up a lot of soggy cigar butts. I mean, I had a portfolio full of them, and there were free puffs in them. I mean, I made money out of that. But A, it doesn't work with big money anyway, and B, we don't find many cigar butts around that we would be attracted to. But those are the companies that have low returns on equity. And if you have a business that's earning 5 or 6% on equity, and you hold it for a long time, you are not going to do well in investing, even if you buy it cheap to start with. Time is the enemy of the poor business, and it's the friend of the great business. I mean, if you have a business that's earning 20 or 25% on equity, and it does that for a long time, time is your friend. But time is your enemy if you have your money in a low return business, and you may be lucky enough to pick the exact moment when it gets taken over by someone else, but we like to think when we buy a stock we're going to own it for a very long time, and therefore we have to stay away from businesses that have low returns on equity.
So friend, did we learn something? Can we interpret what does Warren Buffett said?
Charlie?
Yeah. So you should only invest in a good quality company. If you are investing in a low quality company which has low return on equity, we are going to make blunder with our investment. This is what we are doing. This is what we are doing with our investment. People must be, we have 167 people right now on Zoom. So there may be some people may be happy with after 3 years their stock has gone up now, and they are getting some 20-30% in that particular stock, or they have become break even. So now they are thinking whether we should exit or enter. What if with peace you can invest 100% of your money which you want to invest anytime, and you sleep well, market goes anywhere. keeping in mind that I will be ready to see a drawdown of 10 to 15%. With drawdown I means एक time period पे 10-15% मेरा portfolio घट सकता है, but again the stock will go up and I will start making money. Temporary means for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. My 1 crore portfolio can become 85 lakhs, but वापस से वो recover होके there is a confidence that it will recover again and go above 1 crore और profits create करना शुरू कर देगा. So, and with a CAGR of 20, 25, 30%. Friends, that is possible if you invest simply, not talking much about कि मैं वॉरेन बफेट बन जाऊं, मैं बन जाऊंगा, मैं ऐसा कर लूंगा, वैसा कर लूंगा. नहीं सर, जब बाजार गिरेगा, रेड हो जाएगा, then I will. Even if you buy, जब बाजार रेड होता है, invest in a good quality company. कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. हम लोग उस समय क्या करते हैं, we buy 30 पैसे स्टॉक which will not become even 40 पैसे after 10 years. ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल सबके पास होंगे, मेरे पास भी है. इनफैक्ट व्हाट डिड वॉरेन बफेट से, इट वाज रियली वेरी आई ओपनिंग फॉर अस. He has done the same mistake. Did you get that? He has done a same mistake. What did he said? He said he has also taken those poor cigar butts which has a return on equity of less than 5-6 or 5-6 ROE, return on equity. But what happened? They didn't created a big money for him. Okay, so now why do we do not follow Warren Buffett? This is the reason we do not follow Warren Buffett. So this is a message that Warren Buffett wants to give to its investor. ठीक है, अपने इन्वेस्टर को वॉरेन बफेट ये मैसेज देना चाहते हैं. There was one quote which was very popular in last 1 month, 2 months. I can see most of the people are circulating this. I find this very interesting, which says when Jeff Bezos met Warren Buffett, Warren, your investing strategy is so simple. We have seen that very simple return on equity. People, you can write that on chat easily. तो सोचो कितना simple है. ठीक है, why doesn't everyone just copy you? Because nobody wants to get rich slow. Are you getting me, guys? Am I audible? Can I have yes? Am I audible? Yeah. So this is the reason why we do not invest in good company, because हम लोगों को बहुत जल्दी पैसे वाले बनना है. और एक्चुअली में हम लोग कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाते फिर. So to become Warren Buffett, what we need to do? To become Warren Buffett, we need to be little patient. Let's see what he writes again. I have taken few more quotes of Warren Buffett. We don't have to be smarter than the rest. We have to be more disciplined than the rest. जिन लोगों ने भी आइडिया में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया कर रखे हैं, यस बैंक में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रखा है, आलोक इंडस्ट्री में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रखा है, रुचि सोया जैसे कंपनी में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रखा है, वो लोग अपने आप को स्मार्टर समझ रहे हैं. वी पीपल आर थिंकिंग वी आर स्मार्टर देन द रेस्ट, बिकॉज अरे ये तो सुपर 4 रुपए की कंपनी 60 रुपए हो गई, अरे वाह, देखो अब मैं 40 रुपए में एंटर कर गया हूँ, ये 500 हो जाएगी. अलग अलग रेट्स आने लगते हैं. We just need to be disciplined. We need to avoid those companies for our mind. क्या रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी है आलोक इंडस्ट्री की? नेगेटिव है. नेटवर्थ ही नेगेटिव है कंपनी का. क्या होता है नेटवर्क, क्या होती है रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी? अगर किसी के माइंड में ये क्वेरी जम रही है तो आई विल से यू, हम लोगों के यहाँ पे 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग होती है. वी हैव 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग. आई विल शो यू हाउ यू कैन जॉइन दैट 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग. ठीक है, सो पीपल थिंक वी आर स्मार्टर. ओके, इन्वेस्ट इन आलोक इंडस्ट्री एट 30 rupees. And they will say this very proudly that I have taken it at 30 rupees, now the price is 40, I'm getting 10 rupees. Or huge return by 30%, 33%. No sir, you have breached the discipline of investing. Do you understand? You have breached the discipline of investing. जब आप डिसिप्लिन को ब्रीच करेंगे, you might get return in that company, but आप वही प्रिंसिपल दूसरी कंपनी में लगाएंगे. You will use that same principle in buying other company like similar alok industry. You were lucky enough in making money in Aluk industry, but you will lose money in that other company. So अगर आपकी principle proper रहती है, you will never invest in those companies, and you will only invest in companies which is high ROE. Okay. Next, what he writes: buy stocks like you buy your groceries, not like you buy your perfume. So don't buy expensive. Wait for correction. Buy there are a few more quotes which says कि buy when there is a red in Wall Street, or buy when there is red in the bloodbath in market. So इससे मतलब क्या है? Buy only good stocks. Buy only good stock. Do we buy spoiled potato? Do we buy expired? Do we buy expired perfumes? Or sorry, for grocery, I think rice हो या कुछ भी हो हमारे घर के household के products में, do we buy expired or third grade thing for our grocery? No. So grocery में what we buy necessity things, we buy good things. ठीक है, तो ये ग्रोसरी का एक इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है, यहाँ पे इंटरप्रिटेशन है, बाइंग गुड क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स. ग्रोसरी डजंट मीन दैट यू कैन बाय अ पुअर थिंग. हम लोग क्या करते, वी स्टार्ट बाइंग पुअर थिंग. ये प्रोवर्ब रीड किया, अरे वाह, लाइक यू बाय ग्रोसरी, ओके दिस स्टॉक हैज फॉलन 70%, लेट्स बाय इट. अरे दैट इज एक्सपायर्ड स्टॉक, दैट डजंट हैव रिटर्न इक्विटी. कंपनी खुद के लिए पैसे नहीं कमा सकती है, शेयर होल्डर के लिए क्या कमाएगी? कंपनी को जो पैसे दिए गए हैं बिजनेस रन करने के लिए, अगर वो खुद नहीं प्रॉफिट कर पा रही हैं, हाउ विल दे जनरेट प्रॉफिट फॉर अस एज अ शेयर होल्डर्स? The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. So जैसा भी हो, आपने आज का 1 घंटा दिया है. I don't know whether I'm a right guy to tell you all those things, but what I have learned from the studies from our mental guru Mr. Seris Saraf, and और जो strategies हमने create की हैं Warren Buffett के books read करके, तो I am sharing that to you. So this is the how you need to get this 1 hour, 2 hours of your day, at least in a week or 2 weeks. You need to learn if you want to earn. The more you learn, the more you earn. You don't have to have a degree for making money. You need to learn, you need to understand the thing. Okay, the most stock market is a device for transforming. ये point बहुत ही लाजवाब है, what he has written. The stock market is device for transforming money from impatient person to the patients. जो भी आदमी impatient है, अरे I want money fast, अरे it has gone 30%, now buy it, it will rise further, अरे I got a call that it will rise more 30-40%. So this is from them, the money goes to the patient person. Who are patients? Okay, I will buy this stock. This has ROE greater than 15, and I will keep it. It has fallen 10%, no issue for me. I will buy more, or I will just sit idle if I don't have fund. What will happen? That person will lose money who is impatient. Oh my God, it's falling down. Let's cut the stock. And what will happen? The patient person, the person B, who is still holding with the stock, will see the stock going up. Now, in short run, now the guru of guru, as you rightly said, guru, Warren Buffett is a guru, और जो गुरु का भी गुरु है, who is he? Benjamin Graham. What he writes, in short run, the market is voting machine, but in long run, it is a weighing machine. Short run में छोटे छोटे fall up down होते रहते हैं, but in long run, you make good money. Now, good money in what? In good quality stocks. Okay. Now, so what are the 3 factors? Now, as I said, I will also give you second proof. What are the 3 factors on which stock goes up? That is a 1-minute video of Warren Buffett. So let me show you that also. Warren Buffett explain 3 factors that cause bull market.
Big factors are, well, there's 3 big factors. One is the improved return on equity, which was a fundamental factor that pushed stock prices up. Two is the decline in interest rates that pushed stock prices up. And then finally, stock prices advancing themselves brings in buying. It doesn't go on forever, but it creates its own momentum to some extent if you have these underlying factors that started to push it along.
So he said only three factors that take stock price up. First is return on equity, because it is a fundamental of a company. Then declining interest rate, because people will have fund to invest in stock market. And third, the stock's own momentum. These are the three factors which he clearly says in his video. So friend, इसीलिए मैंने आपको कहा कि अगर आप रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी में रहेंगे, एटलीस्ट अगर आप रिटर्न इक्विटी में रहेंगे, यू आर थ्रू. ठीक है, then you need to manage the interest rate and then the stock own momentum. An investor for long term, it means 3 to 5 years, but review quarterly. Somebody was saying, will Q1Q will make sense? Yes, Q1Q will make sense. What happened? So you should review quarterly. A market friend, you can keep stock for 50 years, 70 years, 100 years, or 500 years, but you need to follow quarterly review process. If you are not reviewing your stock quarterly, then you are making a blunder. Now, what does this reviewing means? This reviewing means to check sales and EPS growth of a company. If a company's sales and EPS growth is going down by more than 30%, minus 30%, you need to think on that company. अगर कोई भी कंपनी का सेल्स ग्रोथ और ईपीएस ग्रोथ डीग्रोथ हो रहा है 30% से ज्यादा, -30% से ज्यादा, then you need to be alert. जितनी भी अच्छी कंपनी हो, जैसी भी कंपनी, ठीक है, तो you can keep your stocks for 50 years, but with a caveat of reviewing your portfolio quarterly. हर रिजल्ट के बाद, क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स के बाद आप उस कंपनी को रिव्यू करिए. How can you do this? From one-to-one webinar you will come to know. ठीक है, I will be showing you links later when we about to end the session. Then I will be showing you one-to-one link. Then how can you register through one-to-one link and can join this? Okay, so and invest in long term means 3 to 5 years, but review quarterly. Remove stocks that posting huge degrowth in quarter and add those with good fundamental has registered good quarterly growth. So आप अच्छे स्टॉक्स को एंटर करते जाइए अपने पोर्टफोलियो में और गंदे स्टॉक्स को निकलते जाइए. गंदे स्टॉक का मतलब है जो कंपनी ने सेल्स और ईपीएस का डीग्रोथ किया. ओके, अभी now this is a proof of how does a good quality stocks and poor quality stocks behave. Before that, there is something known as quality business score that we have created as a pro. We have created as a research team with the help of our mentor guru, Mr. Saleh Saraf. We have created quality business score. Now, what is this quality business score? जैसा आप लोग सबने कहा अभी और वॉरेन बफेट जी के वीडियो में भी हम लोगों ने देखा, from taking understanding from his video, what we have created, we have given score to all the companies. हम लोगों ने हर एक कंपनी को स्कोर दे दिया. ओके, सो हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट दैट स्कोर? कैसे हम लोग एक कंपनी के स्कोर पे आते हैं? So we have, so you guys can log into this website which is known as valuestocks.in. ठीक है, आप लोग इस वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं. I will be showing you the score. I have also send you the link on chat so that if somebody wants to go on website they can easily go. So please follow this link which I have sent you on chat. Now, so यहाँ पे there is one, ये सभी के लिए है. Let me log out so that you guys can easily see how you can see the stock. So अगर कोई कंपनी आपके पास है, आज आपके पास है क्वालिटी, okay, yeah, so you can immediately check कि what is the quality of that company. You have to click on check quality of your company. log into this, you have to go to this website valuestocks.in, then click on check quality of your stocks. So अगर आपके पास कोई stocks है, people must be having too many individual stocks which they are confused about whether we should hold or not. So you can, और अभी it's a right time because market are zooming. So बहुत से poorer stock, poor भी नहीं है, poorer stock भी बढ़ चुके हैं, ठीक है? So you can just search on this. So can I have one name that I can see? Okay, the first name which I got is JTL Infra. JTL Infra. It should be NSE stock. So I'm taking the second name. Second name is UPL. Okay, I'm taking UPL. Okay. Okay. So know the quality of your stocks. So immediately जब भी आप जाएंगे इस वेबसाइट पे लॉगिन करेंगे, you don't need to put anything else. You just need to click on this और आपको बता देगा कि this is a good company. So आपका जो माइंड में जो पहली क्वेरी आ रही है, the first query which you have for your stocks, about your stock, you will get to know that okay, my company, my investment. Similarly, if you have 30, 40, 20 stocks in your portfolio, आप immediately जाएंगे. ये कैसे गुड स्टॉक और कैसे बैड स्टॉक डिफाइन करता है वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगा. पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि आप अपना पोर्टफोलियो कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं. Then which is the next stock that I am getting? I have Bharat Forge. Let's check Bharat Forge. Let's see Bharat Forge. We got it, Bharat Forge. So it's a moderate company. Moderate means that stock is not that good. और लास्ट स्टॉक में आपने देखा होगा इसका स्कोर कहीं ना कहीं 10 से 14 के बीच में है. भारत फोर्ज हैज अ स्कोर ऑफ 10 to 14. And what was the score of UPL? Sorry, UPL का स्कोर was between 15 to 17. जितना ज्यादा स्कोर होगा that is better. The more the score will be, it is better for you. For the it's a better company. So we have given good company. We have given. Let us see Alok Industry. Or Yes Bank, or it's Alok Industry. Let's take Alok Industry. So we have clearly written the score is below 9 and poor company. So as soon as you visit this website and you have list of stocks, Saturday, Sunday, kabhi bhi, when you get time, what you can do? You can easily check. कि लिस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स आपके कैसे हैं जो आपको शायद और कोई नहीं बताएगा. नाउ आई विल टेल यू साइंस बिहाइंड आइडेंटिफाइंग गुड स्टॉक, पुअर स्टॉक्स, मॉडरेट कंपनी. ठीक है, ये कैसे इसको पुअर कंपनी बोली है, मैं हम लोगों ने डिफाइन किया पुअर कंपनी, गुड कंपनी और अ मॉडरेट कंपनी. हाउ वी हैव डिफाइंड इट. ठीक है, डिड यू फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग? विल इट हेल्प यू? लेट मी हैव यस फर्स्ट, देन आई थिंक आई विल गो अहेड. मैंने रजिस्टर नहीं किया है. प्लीज जिनको भी ये कंफ्यूजन है, आई थिंक रंगराजन जी हैज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू मेंबर एंड ऑल. सर प्लीज समझिए मैटर को कि हमें भी सैलरीज चाहिए, हमें भी बिजनेस चाहिए. सो कुछ चीजें हैं, बट लेकिन टू स्टार्ट विथ, टू गेन योर कॉन्फिडेंस, नथिंग इज फ्री इन दिस वर्ल्ड. So anything which to gain your confidence, what we have done, we have created this thing. So see, I have not logged in yet. मैं log in नहीं हूँ. मेरे लिए भी ये सारे लॉक किए हुए हैं अभी फिलहाल आपके सामने. I will log in afterwards, right now. तो लॉग इन करने के बाद क्या होता है, I will show that also. But लॉग इन करने के पहले मुझे मेरी कंपनी, मेरे जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है वो कैसे हैं. So sir, what you need to do? ठीक है, आज आपको क्या करना चाहिए मैं और भी क्लियरली आपको बताता हूं. आज हमें, अगर आपके जो भी स्टॉक है, रवि जी और प्रकाश भाटिया जी, आपके जितने भी स्टॉक हैं उनका एक स्टेटमेंट ले आइए. टेक अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ योर डीमैट अकाउंट. and just go to this tab. Every investor, I'm saying for every investor, I will say that science behind it. ये तो खाली good और poor मैंने बताया, अभी science भी बताऊंगा तो और confidence double होगा. So if you click on this, check quality of your stocks without being login, nothing. You just click और अपने सारे stocks के बारे में कि वो moderate है, good है, poor है, great है, ये 4 पैरामीटर में हम लोगों ने दिया हुआ है. तो please check out what is your stock, what is the status of your stocks. Are we getting it? Will it helpful? क्या आप ये खोज रहे थे कि मुझे कोई बता दे यार मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट कैसी है? जिनके घर में those who have people who are in stock market, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास जाते होंगे, रिलेटिव के पास जाते होंगे, who are in stock market. So I have faced this, that my maternal uncle, I went to him, so he came up with his demat statement. बेटा मेरे को बताओ ये कौन से स्टॉक्स अच्छे हैं, इसमें कौन से खराब है, क्या निकलूं क्या घुसूं. तो अभी बहुतों के पास ये सवाल होगा कि which stock they should hold on and which stock they should exit. I think today's webinar will be a successful webinar if you guys go to this website and please check your portfolio. That is free of cost. Just put the name of your company which you want. Okay, any name of your company which you want. Then click on search. Then you will go to that. Check the quality of your stocks. ऐसे करके आप अपना, आपके पास 20 है, 30 है, 40 है, 50 है, उन सबका कंपनी का नाम निकाल लीजिए कि वो पुअर है, स्टेटस निकाल लीजिए कि whether they are poor, they are good, they are moderate, they are great. Great is good. Then there is good. Great is very good. Basically, we have 4 parameters: great, good, moderate, and poor. Only 4 status we have given. So please get कि कितना परसेंट आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट गुड में, ग्रेट में है, गुड में है, मॉडरेट में है और पुअर में है. अब ये जानना क्यों जरूरी है, पहले मैं वो दिखाता हूं आपको. देन आई विल गो कि ये then I will go how we have created this. Why we need to know that whether our stock is good, poor, or great, good, moderate, or poor. Yeah. So this is the scenario. 5 साल का रिटर्न है. There are total 96 companies in great stocks, out of which 83 have given positive return in last 5 years. 13 has given negative return. That means 86% of the stocks, if you invest in good quality companies, score above 18, then there's a higher chance you make money. So now how much money you made? The people who have invested stocks with 18 and above score, they can create 200% return in last 5 years. So आप imagine कर सकते हो 40% is, लेकिन you have to hit that particular stock every time. I don't know whether that will be how much possible, but ठीक है. Overall, you made, if you have both the stocks, you would have made 170%, 169%. Now, if you have only good stocks, you have 147 stocks, out of which 114 are positive and 33 was negative. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं कैसे हिट रेशियो खराब होना शुरू हुआ जैसे जैसे क्वालिटी खराब होती है. In overall, you made 117%. खाली गुड स्टॉक अगर आप लेते तो 161% था और नेगेटिव 37% होता. Now when 10 to 14, then total stock is 349, 225 were positive, 124 was negative. So यहाँ से टू एंड फ्रो होना शुरू हो जाता है. आप देखेंगे आपका पोर्टफोलियो आपको कुछ बहुत सुपर रिटर्न भी नहीं दिया. 5 साल में you got 87%, which is nearly approx 15%, 13-14% annually. तो वो उतना 15-16% में I don't know remaining in stock market तो मजा नहीं आता. और वो भी आप exactly if you catch those stocks. अगर आपके पास ऐसे stocks होते हैं, I think people will be hesitating sharing this detail. How many of you guys have invested in stock and still you are break even only? in last 5 years, where other quality stocks, जिन लोगों का भी पोर्टफोलियो अभी 2% ही है या ब्रेक इवन है या मैक्सिमम 10% है लास्ट 5 साल में, लेट मी दिस टेल यू दिस अगेन, if your portfolio from last 5 years is only risen 10%, 20%, 30%, then friend, please knock knock, please check yourself. Please check yourself, sit with your statement, sit with your demat account, go to valuestocks.in, please check your statement, please reshuffle your stocks. Okay. Are we getting? Is this data is interesting? Okay, already I have Kulwan Ji who has checked this who has checked this report, his own report. I checked my 6 stocks, of which 4 are rated between 10 to 14, and these two are recommended as hold, and for 2 is sell. For those 2 rating. So he has immediately checked it. So friends, what are you waiting for? Please check after this webinar. Please check. ठीक है, बहुत जरूरी है अपने पोर्टफोलियो का स्टेटस जानना. एंड दिस इज द रिटर्न. ये कहां इफेक्ट करता है सर? आपके पीएनएल में इफेक्ट करता है. और जो रैंडम इन्वेस्टर हैं, जो लोग सोचते नहीं है कि मुझे कहां इन्वेस्ट करना है, नहीं करना है, उनको 5 साल में सिर्फ 52% का रिटर्न मिला है. They only get 52% return. So this is the scenario of return if you invest in poor, good और ऐसी कंपनी में. अभी आज के दिन there are 58 undervalued stock in great companies. क्योंकि बहुतों का ये सवाल होगा कि okay sir, you are saying invest in good companies, is there any good stock or the undervalued stock in these good, great companies? Yes, there are 127 companies and there are still 58% good quality companies in undervalued. Fairly valued there are 23 and overvalued there are 46. So this is the kind of availability is there right now. ठीक है, आज के दिन वो ये अवेलेबल है. प्लीज अवॉइड दिस काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्योंकि उसमें 2% का ही रिटर्न हुआ है ओवरऑल 5 साल में भी. आलोक इंडस्ट्री, रुचि सोया, आई एम पर्पसली टेकिंग दोज नेम because I know investors have kept these investment with them. Please, Idea, Alok Industry and what I should say, Yes Bank, ऐसी कंपनियों में इन्वेस्टमेंट ना करें. आपका 5 साल के बाद आपका रिटर्न होगा 2% और आपने ख्याली पुलाव ये बना रखा होगा कि भाई 10 दिन में मुझे तो ये स्टॉक बढ़ने वाली है एंड मेरे पैसे 10 दिन में डबल हो जाएंगे. नहीं होंगे सर. 5 साल में आप 2% के प्रॉफिट में रहेंगे, वो भी ऐसे यूफोरिक बाजार होगा तब. So please friends, do not invest in these companies. Be invested in these 2 categories, above 15 and above 18. Now let me tell you the science beyond. अच्छा, पहले उसके पहले now अभी बहुतों की ये क्वेरी है, what will happen if market goes down? मार्केट्स तो बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं. किन किन का ये क्वेरी है? who all has these query? nobody. कि मार्केट्स तो सर बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं. 8 का I've seen 8 people raising their hand and 1 people writing. Okay. So do you want to know what does Warren Buffett says? When will market get overvalued? Do you want to know? If I get at least 10-15 years, then I'm going to show you that. I've got 1 year, sorry, 1 year. When okay, so let me show you when does what does Warren Buffett says that when will market get overvalued and how a stock get overvalued.
Overvalue, the question whether the market's overvalued generally, it's simply as we said last year here in the annual report. It's not, the general market is not overvalued if 2 conditions are met, which is, in our view, which is that interest rates remain at or near present levels or go lower, and that corporate profitability in the U.S. stay at the present or close to the present levels, which are virtually unprecedented. Now, those are a couple of big ifs, as we pointed out. A lot of the stories that came out after the annual report would emphasize one aspect or another, but it's simply, and they say, what does he mean by that? Well, it means exactly what I say. If the two conditions are met, I think it's not overvalued, and if either of the conditions is breached in an important way, I think it will turn out to be overvalued, and I don't know the answer, which is why I put it in the form that I did. It's very tough at any given time to look forward and know what level of valuation is justified. You do know when certain dangerous things appear, and certainly if you're predicating your answer that stocks are okay at these prices, you have if you come to that conclusion, you have to also come to the conclusion that, in our view, that corporate earnings at present levels are likely to be maintained.
So, what was the message? What was the message? When will we get overvalued? When will we get overvalued? I think nobody saw this video, kya? So when are we going to get become overvalued in the market? When the stock will be overvalued for us? I'm waiting for the answer. He said two factors, only two factors. Yeah, Anandji, only two factors on which the stock or a market will become overvalued if interest rate goes up, and second thing, if earning goes down. Agar earning नीचे जाती है या that means he said the corporate earning. So my friend, those who are thinking that market has become overvalued, this, that, please stop thinking that. Just focus on the earnings of the company. Because of the market condition, because of market condition, stock may fall temporarily. But what will happen? They will reach their destination because they have good quality. If the stock is good quality, the stock will keep on rising. I'm getting very brilliant example to explain you this. I don't know. It's in different context. Like if I'm on boat and the current is against me, against my direction. If I have to go to north and the current is against my direction and it is coming back, if it is throwing me back towards north, on south. So what will happen? Still, I may take time. I may take more time to reach my destination, but I will surely reach my destination. Have you got this? This is the example I can get right now. कि अगर मैं एक नौके में हूं और मुझे नॉर्थ की तरफ जाना है और करंट मेरे अगेंस्ट ट्रेवल कर रहा है, हवा का रुख मेरे से डिफरेंट है, मेरे डायरेक्शन से अलग है, आई विल, और मुझे पीछे ढकेल रहा है, स्टिल आई मे टेक टाइम टू रीच माई डेस्टिनेशन. मुझे जहां पहुंचना है, आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू नॉर्थ, मैं अगर उत्तर दिशा में जाना चाहता हूं, I may take time to reach to Uttar Disha or North, but I will reach North only. I will not go back to South because the current is not with me. Current is against with me. Water current is against with me. अगर हवा का रुख मेरे against भी है, तभी भी मैं North direction में जाऊंगा. Similarly, अगर earnings मेरे साथ है, अगर कंपनी की earnings मेरे साथ है, इकोनॉमी मेरे साथ है, what will happen? The stock will go up and up and up. So why being an investor until unless what is that boat, what is that earning? अगर मेरा बोट ही खराब हो गया तो मैं कहीं भी नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा, neither south neither north. तो until unless you have poor earning, you will not fall. Now this is we tested on what happened when there was COVID? ठीक है, the biggest fear of investor in falling market, quality business stocks fall least in falling market. Worst scenario was 7500 Nifty, which all everybody has experienced. सबने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, पुराने इन्वेस्टर, नए इन्वेस्टर ने. सो टिल 2000 तो हम लोगों ने चेक किया कि एक साल अगर हम लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं उस खराब सिनेरियो में, तो व्हाट विल बी आवर स्टेटस और पीएनएल. So friends, we have taken top 20 quality companies where index has fallen 33%, they have fallen only 5%. Top quality business score companies in large cap. In mid cap, the fall was for 12%, where index fell by 38%. In small cap, it was 15%, where index was 48%. Then small cap mini, the stocks which has market cap less than 10,000 crore, has fallen 48%. Okay. Now, what happened to the low quality stocks? Where index has fallen 33%, large cap stock has fallen 27%, 38% mid cap index, and 47%. This is the position of, they fall more than the index, the poor stocks. Where index has fallen 48%, they have fallen 56%, 48%, 65%. So friend, start investing in a good quality company. So yeah, so how can you start investing in a good quality company? Let me show you the science behind this quality companies. So what we have taken, just a second, let me log in. We are extended with 7-8 minutes right now, and I think more 5 minutes will be required. So thank you friends for your patience, for giving more 15 minutes to me, and very sorry for extending this session, because I'm also really little bit excited with you all guys, with your all support and everything. I think you are enjoying. I hope you are enjoying. Yeah. So now I have logged in. After you log in, what will happen, what you get? If you click on check quality business code, let us see those companies only. UPL. As Warren Buffett has clearly said, और बहुतों ने लिखा भी था, that sales तो हम लोग यहाँ पे sales growth लेते हैं rather than taking sales as a figure. ठीक है, sales growth, then we take EPS growth, then we take cash flow, free cash flow. ठीक है, और उस कंपनी में डेट भी कम देखते हैं. कंपनी में डेट शुड बी लेस देन 15, सॉरी, डेट इक्विटी रेशियो शुड बी लेस देन 1, एंड द कंपनी शुड हैव रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी मोर देन 15. ये 4 क्राइटेरिया हम लोग देखते हैं, और ये 5 साल के लिए देखते हैं, और 1 क्वार्टर के लिए देखते हैं. तो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज यूपीएल. यूपीएल हैज शोन अ पॉजिटिव सेल्स ग्रोथ in 2015-16, so we gave him 1 mark. But its EPS was negative. Its EPS growth was negative. How did we came? So what was the score of UPL? It was 15. Earlier we were getting those numbers 15 to 17. Now we got that 15, exactly 15 number. Okay, it has got 15 number. How did we got to this 15? Then it has negative free cash flow or a high debt. It has a high debt, so we gave it 0. Warren Buffett ने कहा ना, low debt equity, there should be a he said while employing little or no debt. So हम लोगों ने एकदम little debt रखा है. ठीक है, 0.75 I think so. Yeah. So return on equity greater than 15. Okay, it has managed to have return on equity greater than 15, so 1 mark. So in 2015-16 it got 2 marks. In 2016-17 it got all the 4 marks. See, everything was great in UPL. Again in 17-18 it has got good mark. Again in 2018-19 balance बिगड़ने लगा. Return equity कम हो गई, कैश फ्लो खराब हो गए, ईपीएस कम हो गई, सेल्स मेंटेन रखा उसने, सो इट गॉट 1 मार्क। 2019-18 में it got 2 marks, it remained with the sales in it, so और क्वार्टर में अब की बार it has created 178% EPS growth and 14% sales growth, so it got 2 marks. So we see 5 years annual earning and and current quarter earning, so 20 marks for 5 for last 5 year earning, 4 into 5 that is 20, and 2 points for the quarterly earning. अगर ये होती है कंपनी, so this is how 2 plus 2 plus this, so we have 5 plus 5 plus 4 will be 9, 9 plus 14 will be 13, and 2 will be 15. So this is how we got 15 marks as a company. So do you feel this is powerful? I don't know whether if you guys don't feel this has to be powerful, because this has to be with the guidance of Warren Buffett. Even if we don't feel this is powerful because this is a guidance of Mr. Warren Buffett. This is the understanding of Mr. Warren Buffett. So you straight away come to know what is the number of your stocks. तो आपका स्टॉक आपके नंबर में आ जाता है। जैसे स्कूलों में होता है ना कि कैसे डिसाइड होता है कि वो बच्चा फर्स्ट रैंक करे 80-90% के रिटर्न से। इन अ सिमिलर वे वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ काइंड ऑफ ग्रेडिंग टू ऑल द कंपनीज, तो आपको इमीडिएटली पता चल जाएगा कि क्या है। ओके, प्लीज डू नॉट डिसाइड लाइक दैट। प्रकाश भाटिया जी, प्लीज डू नॉट डिसाइड लाइक दैट कि मैनेजमेंट खराब है अच्छा है। अगर वो कंपनी आरओई कर रही है और डेट नहीं है कंपनी में, जैसे अभी मैं देख रहा हूं कैश फ्लो कम है कंपनी में और रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी भी कम है, तो यस मैनेजमेंट थोड़ी वीक है। जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि आज का वेबिनार आपके लिए सार्थक तभी होगा इफ यू टेक दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इन योर माइंड दैट रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 15। तो यस कम है तो मैनेजमेंट मॉडरेट है, इट्स नॉट दैट गुड। 14% फिर भी निकाल रही है, ठीक है। इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए, इन्वेस्टर के लिए सोचने का मतलब क्या हुआ कि भाई हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं कोई आदमी अच्छा है, वो खुद के लिए करोड़ रुपए कमा रहा है तब नो, वो कुछ फिलैंथ्रोपी कर रहा है तब। सिमिलरली एक मैनेजमेंट को जानने के लिए, उसका फिलैंथ्रोपी क्या है जानने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू नो, अगर रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी अच्छा है तो सो जिसको उसको सर्व करना है, दे नीड टू सर्व whom did do management need to serve, management कोई भी कंपनी की जो मैनेजमेंट है whom they need to serve, can anybody tell me? The management has to serve whom? मैनेजमेंट, कोई भी कंपनी का मैनेजमेंट अपॉइंट कौन करता है? हम लोग ही करते हैं, शेयर होल्डर ही करते हैं। तो उनको सर्व किसको करना है? शेयर होल्डर्स को ही करना है। अगर उन्हीं को वो अच्छे से कमा के नहीं दे रहे, उन्हीं की इक्विटी में अगर कमा के नहीं दे रहे हैं पैसा, तो शेयर होल्डर्स को अगर वो लोग कमा के नहीं दे रहे हैं पैसा, तब तो मैनेजमेंट खराब हो गई ना। अगर मुझे कमा के दे रहा है, पहला फिलैंथ्रोपी तो मैं हूं, पहला रिक्वायरमेंट तो ऑब्लिगेशन तो उनका मैं हूं एज अ शेयर होल्डर। तो अगर वो स्टेप्स क्लियर है तो 50% मैनेजमेंट की क्वालिटी अच्छी है सर। अगर रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, लेट मी गिव यू दिस स्टेटमेंट वेरी क्लियरली, एंड आई एम नॉट गिविंग दिस स्टेटमेंट, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज क्लियरली गिवन बाय वॉरेन बफेट। इफ द रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी इज हायर, 50% मैनेजमेंट इज गुड। Now 50% is now you have to study कि कब से वो आरओई अच्छा रखा है, कब से उन्होंने सेल्स ग्रोथ किया है, कैश फ्लो है, डेट कम है। So those are secondary thing. Like 50% you are sure that okay. So now from today onwards we have we got 188 people earlier, now we have 138 people, 40 50 people is left. तो जो लोग भी हैं, please start investing or seeing those company or avoiding those company that has less than 15 ROE. अगर 15 से कम ROE तो please avoid करिए। Okay, so this is the science behind this. Okay, now what next? So what next I have for you is, now अगर हम लोग अब वॉरेन बफेट की स्टॉक्स को कैसे खोजें, कैसे गुड कंपनीज हैं, सो हम लोगों ने इसको एक फॉर्मूला में बांध दिया है। वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ फॉर्मूला, अ स्ट्रेटजी of investing in stocks like Warren Buffett, and we have named it as a Warren Buffett stock. So we have something known as large and mid Warren Buffett strategy, which is giving 111%, which is giving 111% in 5 year with a CAGR of 21%, 21.69%. तो जो वॉरेन बफेट ने वहां पे रखा है थ्योरी, वी हैव मेड इट प्रैक्टिकल, और इंडिया में हमारे कौन से स्टॉक्स आने चाहिए वो हम लोगों ने क्रिएट किया है. सो वी हैव टेकन annual earning growth of 5% from last 5 years. We have taken free cash flow, positive free cash flow for last 5 years. We have taken return on equity greater than 15 for last 5 years, and debt equity ratio, the year which we are buying, should be less than 0.3. So these are the 4 parameters we have incorporated in a system and checking the stocks of Warren Buffett. And this will give you a list of 15 stocks as per these parameters, and you can see the date from which the stock has released, that is from 6th July, this time from July. So stock has already risen 21%. और एक लाजवाब बात है जो मैंने आपको कहा, ड्रॉडाउन. देयर वाज ओनली 18% ड्रॉडाउन ड्यूरिंग कोविड. ये 15 स्टॉक्स में, ये 11 स्टॉक्स थे उस समय. So there was only 18% drawdown during COVID, where index fell by 36%. तो आपका पोर्टफोलियो, और हर बार ये इंडेक्स को बीट किया है. In 2015 there was an 8 stock where 3% index has given 3% return. It has given 27%, 22, 23, 9, 40, 5, 4, -9, 16, 26, now 21. More to go. So this is kind of return. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अरे मैं ले लूंगा और गिर जाएगा. Now see the beauty of the thing. जो वॉरेन बफेट ने कहा था, let us test live, कि अगर मैं रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी 5 वाले कंपनी में देता हूं, कि 5 से अबव भी हो कंपनी में अगर मैं इन्वेस्ट करता हूं, तो what can happen. So you can see this is 5-year return. So I have applied it, straight away become 85%. So this is all you are seeing AI tested, artificial intelligence tested reports you are seeing, website you are seeing. So जैसे ही आप ROE 5 करते हैं तो रिटर्न्स आपके 85% आ जाते हैं, आपका CAGR become 16%. So this is the thing. Now you guys must be excited to connect to us. ठीक है, हम लोगों को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं और भी बहुत सारी बातें जानना चाहते होंगे आप लोग. यू must want to know much more about us. I think first of all, how did you like the session? Because अगर वो नहीं है then तो I don't think कि कोई point भी है बात करने का. So did you like the session? Yeah, very much. Thank you. So if you like the session, please join this. Book your free one-to-one webinar. Build trust on us. Build trust on us. और please अपने right direction में जाइए. Stop investing in those poor stocks. I will not take more name, otherwise those company will be against me. So please start investing in good quality companies. Book your free one-to-one webinar. This is again free. You come to us. आप Zoom ID के through you will be given Zoom ID link. Okay, you guys must have got the SMS. आप लोगों को SMS भी मिल गया होगा. अगर आप लोगों को SMS नहीं मिला है, then I'm again sending you this link to all. I'm sending this link to all. Please इसको fill करिए. बहुत ही superbly ये भी डिजाइन किया गया है. आपका नाम पूछा जाएगा, ईमेल एड्रेस, मोबाइल नंबर, ये 2 सवाल और पूछे जाएंगे स्टॉक मार्केट से रिलेटेड. देन इट विल आस्क यू योर कन्वीनियंट टाइम. एवरी पर्सन इज बिजी राइट नाउ. ओके, आपके पास डिफरेंट टाइमिंग होंगी, समय निकालना बहुत टफ है. सो दीज आर द टाइमिंग विच यू हैव. सो यू कैन डिसाइड द टाइमिंग. ओके, एंड यू कैन डिसाइड द, लाइक इफ आई सेलेक्ट ट्यूसडे, सो आई विल बी गिवन दीज ऑप्शंस कि मैं किस टाइम में बात कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है, so you can call and you can schedule. So आपको एक Zoom लिंक भेजा जाएगा, जैसे आप आज इस Zoom लिंक में आए हैं वैसे आपको एक Zoom लिंक दिया जाएगा. So you will get that Zoom link, and उसमें जो मेरा कलीग है, which who is an expert, who has become expert in explaining things, so he will explain you about, किसी ने पूछा था, somebody has asked about add-on features of the website and app. There are plenty of features. I think those who are our customer who is listening to this webinar right now, they know there are plenty of features, and Warren Buffett is like, I think there are 50 features, so 150th of feature of Warren Buffett strategy. So there are 50-40 features in the app, which is exceptional. Will not find anywhere. You will not get it anywhere. So you please join this one-to-one webinar. Please join. I think I have said the benefits. So you will get to know these things. You can take a picture of this. ठीक है. फिर भी अगर आपको कठिनाई होती है हमसे कनेक्ट करने के लिए, अच्छा स्ट्रैटेजी किनको बाय करनी चाहिए, जिनके पास टाइम नहीं है, द पर्सन हु डजंट हैव टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट, टू नो हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट, क्या मैं कहाँ स्टॉक्स चूज करूंगा, कहाँ क्या करूंगा. आप ROE ग्रेटर देन 15 के स्टॉक्स चूज कर सकते हैं थ्रू स्टॉक स्कैनर एंड ऑल, बट आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, देन यू कैन स्ट्रेट अवे गो एंड इन्वेस्ट इन द पोर्टफोलियोज. ठीक है, वॉरेन बफेट की स्ट्रेटजीज में. और भी अच्छी बात है, इफ यू हैव टाई अप और यू हैव account with these 10 brokers, we have tie up with small case. So if you have this these 10 broker with you, ठीक है, अगर आप ये 10 ब्रोकर के संग अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, then you can just buy strategy. Okay, so we have one website through which you can buy strategy, subscribe strategy, and then pay for the strategy and straight away invest for your stocks. And you will also get to know what is a minimum investment you can invest to buy a you can invest to buy a strategy. Okay, तो सारे डिटेल्स यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो लेट्स चेक वॉरेन बफेट में कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट है. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट रिक्वायर्ड इन वॉरेन बफेट पोर्टफोलियो इज 1,21,000. मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट इतना करना है. ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ वॉरेन बफेट स्ट्रेटजी, सो 5,000 इज फॉर वॉरेन बफेट स्ट्रेटजी, एंड then you need to invest 1,21,000 for Warren Buffett investment, जो stocks लेने आपको 15 stocks. Now बहुत सारी बातें जो मैं बोल गया आपको समझ में आई होंगी, नहीं आई होंगी. तो if you don't understand, if you did not understand few things which you have query, because यहाँ पे आपको खाली chat allowed है, वहां पे you can talk to them personally, they will respond on over voice, वो लोग respond करेंगे आपको. तो इसलिए आप अगर वहां आते हैं 1-to-1 वेबिनार में, that I have sent you the link, this link I'm sending you once again. If you get registered to this link, ठीक है, so you can easily come to know कि हमको क्या करना है, कैसे हम लोग अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी अब चालू कर सकते हैं. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट one more slide for you. If you have missed something, quality. So this is the one side, slide. You can take picture of this slide. आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, कभी भी आपको अगर हमसे कनेक्ट करना हो, you can connect through these medias. आप इस मीडियम से हम लोग को कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So rest all yours. Please send me feedback if I need to improve something. 1-to-1 में बहुत डिफरेंट स्टडीज है, डिटेल्ड स्टडी है. सो यू कैन कम टू वाल्मीकि. प्लीज सजेस्ट मी इफ आई नीड टू इम्प्रूव समथिंग, इफ आई नीड टू ऐड समथिंग. सो गाइस, टेक अवे, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टेक अवे दोज, तो मलाई आज की यही है. 107 आदमी रुके हैं, तो उनके लिए मैं कह दूं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि फ्रेंड्स, ROE ग्रेटर देन 15. ठीक है. सेकंड, मार्केट्स ओवरवैल्यू तब होते हैं जब कॉर्पोरेट अर्निंग्स नीचे जाना शुरू करती हैं. अगर मार्केट्स गिरते भी हैं, पुअरर से पुअरर मार्केट में अगर आप अच्छी क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर रखे हैं, What is the first step? Investing in a quality stock. The first step for investing in quality stock is investing in a company which has ROE greater than 15. I'm also sending you YouTube link of this webinar. So those who have joined late, they can attend through this, they can see the video through this YouTube link. Yeah. So agar aap, what I was saying ki, so the crux of the webinar was invest in good quality company. Your first step towards finding a good quality company is ROE greater than 15, return on equity greater than 15. Okay. And second point, stock will get overvalued or market will become overvalued if we see interest rate going up, which is right now at a pretty good place in India also and in world, mostly US, सब जगह interest rate बहुत lower है. So एक वो reason है markets अच्छे रहने के. दूसरी, अगर company start showing poor quarterly earning, ठीक है, then अच्छा, quarterly earning में भी which quarterly earning you should see, how to see quarterly earning, that my colleague will say you in one-to-one webinar. So friends, please join through one-to-one webinar, and I really want to thank these 100 people who stayed till last. So I'm thankful to everyone, 180 people who joined today. But yes, for these 100 people, I'm very thankful. They were so patient to listen to the webinar till last. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please send me your queries or an improvement that I need to make in my webinar, or I want to add something. So I will do that. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Valmik ji, you can call to this number. You can call on this number, and he can help you with this. So maybe might be not over the Zoom, but he may call you and speak to you and can schedule your time accordingly. Please call on this number. Those who are facing any kind of trouble, they can please call to this number. Jignesh ji, you can take this picture of this slide. It depends, sir, how much, Rajesh ji, it depends on your curiosity you want to know. Okay. So, and let me also show you the pricing if somebody is interested, because somebody asked me about the pricing of the website and all. So you have this pricing and subscription. So if you click on this, so we have only two packages for you. One is 4,999 and one is 9,900. So these are the combo strategies which you can purchase. और app भी मिल जाएगा, training भी मिल जाएगा. The best part, let me tell you the best part about this connecting to us is you will be given so many training, you will get crazy. And not crazy even, I must say, you will come closer to becoming Warren Buffett. Okay, so we will be discussing more and more and more. Okay. Yeah, you can take multiple time, Ankurji. You can take multiple time. You can take one-to-one training multiple time. No issue.